If you're facing issues of YouTube not showing comments on videos, let's say you want to comment on certain videos, two things might be the problem, but I'll show you how to fix it. First, the video might be on restricted for comments, restricted mode, maybe for kids and the likes. Let's say this is one of the problem you're facing. Let's say I will just try this right now. And so now let's say this is the video that has the problem. What you can do, you can see there's no option to comment, right? Is this, if this is what you're facing, then let's fix this real quick. So I will just return back, I'll close this and I'll click on my profile icon. Then you click on the setting icon. Once you click on the settings icon, you just need to scroll to general, which is the first here, and you see restricted mode. Restricted mode. So this has a lot of functions, but one of the major things it does is restrict you from commenting and seeing some comments on some YouTube videos. So I'm just going to close this right now and try to refresh my YouTube. Now I'm just going to go back to it and refresh this video also. I'm just going to refresh it. I hope I see the video again for you guys to see. So I'll just wait for it to open. Or okay, let me just look for this song. Now let's say this is the video and I try to play it. So I'm just going to pause this. You see, we have our comments back. You can now see comments. You can actually now comment. You see that? So that's basically how to fix this issue. I hope this helped you. If it did, let me know in the comment section. And if you're still facing the problem, also let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you.